Anybody interested in this that's tired of cords and you just want a game without worrying about them, this is the mouse for you.
Expert reviews.
This is the Logitech G-Pro Mouse and Keyboard. They come together, they're amazing together, but my favorite thing about them is they make me feel better when I'm playing video games. So the Logitech G-Pro series are wireless. The mouse, without the cord, saves my day. I'm no longer pulling my hair out. I'm so tired of cords everywhere, so I had to get these. The mouse is well balanced in my hand. I'm able to do my flicks in first-person shooter games, and then not only that, I'm also able to edit videos at the end of the day. The keyboard feels so good. You have the option actually to take off the buttons and use customized keys at any point. The Logitech software is simple to use. You download it and you're able to add your RGB sequences to the keyboard and mouse so you can have any color you want and have fun while you're gaming. I'd recommend it to any gamer, honestly, especially anybody that's tired of the cords, like I was when I went searching. No matter what you're working on, if you're on Mac, if you're on Windows, the Logitech G-Pro Mouse and Keyboard will work on either.